You've probably thought of all the traditional ways to make money with Canva, like, oh, start a social media management company. Oh, make some graphics. Oh, do this. Oh, do that. There's a million ways to make money using Canva, using your skills and getting inside of Canva, creating things and selling them as digital products. By the way, if you don't have my digital product download, go get it. Turomagic.com/65. Get 65 digital product ideas that you can create and sell. A lot of them you can create on Canva, but that's beside the point here because today I'm telling you something I didn't even know about until recently. And I'm not sure if you know about it either. So we're going to talk about this. You probably know Canva, and if you don't, let me tell you about it. It's a really sweet design program. It's completely free. Of course, they have a paid version if you want to upgrade, but you don't have to, where you can create just about anything. You can create slideshows, you can create presentations, social media, videos, like literally anything that you could probably think of, you can create on Canva. But so many people are not talking about this other way that you can make money using Canva that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. I even went over here to ChatGPT. Let me show you. Look, ChatGPT. Even on ChatGPT, I was like, hey, give me a list of ways that you can make money on Canva. They didn't even list it on there. And I'm going to show you. But what they did list was freelance graphic design, where you become a graphic designer and you design graphics for people, make logos and cool things like that. You can sell Canva templates. I have a video that I can link here for you if you want to do that. You can offer Canva design courses or tutorials if you want to. You can create and sell print on demand products. So you can create graphics and put them on products and sell them. You don't even have to make the product or ship it yourself. You can create a Shopify store and then use a company like Printify or Printful, and you can, it's just a whole thing. Okay, that's a whole different video. You can do content creation for social media, affiliate marketing, becoming an affiliate. Well, can you do that? So Canva, they have affiliate marketing here, and I can't remember, but I thought Canva's affiliate marketing thing stopped. So don't quote me on that, but if it's still out there, you can be a Canva affiliate. Number 7, content creation for blogs and websites, creating like blog banners and stuff. And then obviously you can be a virtual assistant and you can do Canva stuff for business owners. But nowhere in here in this magical list do they say what I'm about to show you. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you it right now. Here we go. It's called canva.com/creators. And if you have not checked out this portion of Canva's website, go do it right now. I will link it down below if you want to click on the link. Super easy. Just scroll down and click it. And also click subscribe since you're down there. Okay, here's what it is. Create for a marketplace like no other. Become a Canva creator and earn passive income doing what you love. Have you heard of this? Let me know in the comments. So you're going to go here. You're going to click become a creator. And basically what this is if you've been inside of Canva and you see all of the different elements, the graphics, the tip. Excuse me, reload. So basically what this is, once you click become a creator, you get taken to this screen and it's all of those elements, the graphics, the vectors, the templates, all the things that you see when you go into design things for Canva. People create those, and it's not just created in-house. You could be one of the designers and the creators of the things that are in Canva that other people can use. And so when someone uses your design, you get paid. Why are we not talking about this? Why are people, why? Anyways, here's what you do. You go here, you go there, you. So it's going to say, welcome to Canva creators. And you're going to say, what type of content will you be creating? So what are you interested in? Do you want to create templates? Do you want to create elements? Like, are you great at illustrating or creating icons? Do you love photography? Do you love videography? Do you make sounds like audio, anything, any of this? You're going to pick one of these. So the templates right now you can apply for when you click on there. When you go to elements, you can say register interest. So this either tells me that they're not accepting, well, obviously they're not accepting applicants yet. So you can say that you're interested in that right there. So when they do open it back up, or if they get enough interest, they'll open it back up. But you can go ahead and apply so that your interest is noted and then they can reach out to you. Or if you're an accredited teacher, an educator, a trainer of some sort, you can click here and you can create and design your own educational resources, then upload them into Canva. And then when other people use them, you get paid. Did you know about this? Am I the last one to know about this? Did I not know? Anyway, so let's go over here and we'll say templates, create free or pro templates, apply. And then you're going to hit that apply button. This says apply to become a Canva creator. You're going to fill out this form. If you have a portfolio, this will be where you would share that. What country are you? So I'd say the United States, and then I would hit apply. So if we go back over here to elements, you say register interest. You can tell them, hey, I'm interested in this. This is what I create. Here's my portfolio. La, la, la. Let me know when you're going to hire me. So you'll fill out this expression of interest form, hit submit. And then, of course, on the last one, I'll show you what that looks like. If you are a teacher or an educator of some sort or trainer, you'll say, I'm interested in creating educational resources, and you'll say sign up. Become an education creator. And these are the people, like, look at all of these graphics, super cool. If you love design and you love teaching, or maybe you're already creating lesson plans and things like that, this may be an avenue for you to explore. You'll go in here, first name, last name, personal email, your school slash education email. So a .edu probably is what they're looking for there. What country are you in? Are you an educator or a teacher? Yes. What grade levels? What do you teach? What do you do? How many years of experience do you have? What's the name of the school that you teach at? And then you're going to upload samples of like your lesson plans, your educational resources that you're interested in creating. You'll create samples and upload them here. You can talk more about what being an education creator means to you. So you can write them, tell them all the things. And then, did anyone refer you? You could say me. You could say who referred you. I agree to all the things, and then you hit submit, and then it will tell you the next steps from there. But I just thought this was the coolest thing. I can't believe I didn't hear about it sooner. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.